Hello, children. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to our virtual class, Class 1. Subject is English, and the topic is lesson number 3 Appu the baby elephant. So, what is the name of lesson number 3, children? Appu the baby elephant. And today's our subtopic is grammar. Yes, today we are going to learn the grammar portion which has given backside of that lesson. Yes. So children, I hope you got that lesson very well. So shall we move forward, children? Yes. So take out everyone your English textbook. Okay. So children, today we are going to learn the grammar portion, that is A and an. A and an. So children, as in your textbook, this has given. Yes. So first of all, we will read this. So children, you have to keep your finger on the on that first line. Yes, and try to read with your map. We use a or an before a naming word, that means only one person, place, animal or thing. So children, here we use a or an before what? We use this a or an before the naming word. Yes, that means only one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Yes, so when we use this a or an before naming word, which naming word? One person, one place, one animal or one thing. Got it, children? Shall we move forward? So children, this is a very interesting portion, yes, which we are going to learn today. So children, see these alphabet letters. You know everyone, yes. We have also first lesson in our English grammar and composition. Yes. Now see here the alphabet letters has given here. See A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So children, as you can see, if you observe, I have underlined some alphabet letters. Like A, I have underlined A alphabet letter. Then E, letter E I have underlined. I have underlined. Then O, then U. Yes. So children, as you can see, total 5 letters in that alphabet I have underlined. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Yes, children. So total 5 letters I have underlined: A, E, I, O and U. Got it, children? So children, what is the reason behind that, children? There are 26 letters in English alphabets. Yes, we know very well there are 26 letters in English alphabet. And in that, 5 letters are vowels. 5 letters are vowels. And except this, it means remaining letters. Yes, the remaining letters is known as a consonant. Yes, except A, E, I, O, U, the remaining all it means consonant. Getting? So children, as I said to you, yes, How many alphabet letters are there? In English alphabet, 26 letters. How many alphabets are there? 26. Yes. In that, there are 5 vowels. Yes, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O and U. Yes. And consonant. Except all these A, E, I and U, all it means consonant. Yes. The remaining letters, it means B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these 21 letters, it means consonants. So children, to learn A or an, we should know this vowels and consonant very well. Yes. Why I have explained you this? Because this is the main part. This is the main part to understand A or an. Yes. So children, if the word starts with A, E, I, O and U, it means if the word starts with vowel sound, at that time what we have to use? An. What we have to use? An. And if the word starts with these consonant sounds, so at that time we have to use A. We have to use A. Hope you are getting, children. So see, when we use an, we use an before a naming word that starts with A, E, I, O and U. It means vowel sounds. Yes, when the word starts with vowel sounds, which means A, E, I, O, U, at that time we have to use an. We have to use an. For example, as you can see, an ant, an ant. See children, ant is a word. Ant is a word. Yes, ant is a insect. Yes, as we know, when we have to use this, name of place, person, name of one place, one person, one thing, one animal. Yes. So as you can see, ant has start with vowel sound A. A is a vowel. A is a vowel. Now we are looking the word ant. So ant has started with vowel sound A. Because of the vowel, we have to use before that word an. Yes. What is next one? An egg. An egg. Now egg has started with vowel sound. See, E. Yes, E for egg. So because of this vowel sound, we have to use an before this word. Children, we have to use this A or an before the word, before the words. Yes. Next one, an ice box. An ice box. I is a vowel sound. Ice box has started with which letter? Vowel sound I. So we have to use an. We have to use an. Next one, an ox. An ox. O is a vowel sound. So for that reason, we have to use before that an. We have to use an. The last one, an umbrella. An umbrella. See children, umbrella has started with which letter? U. So for that we have to use before that word an. So in short, when the words start with A, E, I, O, U sound, so we have to use before that word an. We have to use before that word an. Got it, children? Hope you are getting. It is very simple, very easy and very interesting also. Now children, we learnt about that when we should use and. Now we will learn that when we should use a. Yes, we use, try to read with me. We use a before a naming word that starts with a consonant. As we know, which are the consonants are there? Yes, yes, we have seen at the starting. Yes, the remaining all it means consonant like B, C, D, yes, F. So remaining all it means consonant. So we will see some examples. A boy, a cat, a teacher, a temple, a village, a woman. So children, see here the word boy has started with B and B is a consonant sound. For that reason we have to use A. A boy. Yes, a boy. Then a cat. Yes, a cat. Cat word has start with C, consonant sound. So we have to use A or A. Yes. Next one, a teacher. Yes, it means A. Why did we use A? Because T is a consonant sound. T is a consonant sound. A temple. Yes, a temple. See, T, the temple word start with T, consonant sound. So we will use A. Next one, a village. Village start with V, consonant sound. So we will use a village. Then last one, woman. Last one, woman. So see children, this is a W is a consonant sound. So for that reason we have to use which word, A or N? We have to use a woman. Yes. So when we use A before the consonant sounds, we use A before consonant sounds. The letter B consonant, the letter C consonant, the letter T consonant, V consonant, W consonant. That is why we use their A. Got it children? Hope you are getting very well. So children, I hope you got this very well. So in the next we will see the examples. So this was the explanation. In the next video we will see with examples. So till then, go through it. Take care.